Very few law schools have robust programs in animal law. Part of what animal law is aimed at is changing the fundamental relationship of animals to human society. There are a number of reasons why creating an animal law program at USF is so exciting. First among those is the institution itself with its long commitment to public interest law and social justice. And second is the students. I've found them to be incredibly engaged and committed.
I think my favorite thing about this cohort is that everyone is so inspired by social justice. A lot of people come from very, very different backgrounds, and I feel like I've been able to learn from them.
And third, USF's location in San Francisco in particular, and California more broadly, is incredibly important. California really is at the forefront of progressive animal protection legislation. It's one of the main locations for animal protection litigation. And so creating a program in California is very promising.
Why so many people are working toward expanding it is that the way that animals are treated by a society really indicative of how the society treats people too.
So the Justice for Animals program was created to address the fundamental injustice of the way human society treats the non-human world. A lot of people would be surprised to find out that the legal system considers animals property, even though the animals that many of us spend our lives with, we consider more like members of the family.
The term personhood comes up a lot in animal law and whether animals can be considered persons under the law. And just think about whether you think of your own companion animal as property or if you think of them as family. And that distinction is really the essence of animal law, and you would really get to explore that by studying animal law.
I teach animal law, an introductory animal law course that covers the basic doctrinal regulation of humans' treatments of animals in the United States legal system as well as internationally. And in that course, we study some of the most central issues in animal law. That might be criminal anti-cruelty laws, it would be the treatment of farmed animals, regulation of companion animals and puppy mills, animals in research. And that class is really focused on introducing students to the diversity of animal law, the wide range of topics that it covers, and the interesting theoretical and legal questions that it raises.
The class was really transformative. I learned how many areas of animal law there are. It's really not a field, it's a lens to be able to channel the laws that we have, whether they are specifically related to animals or not, for the benefit of animals. USF just provided the groundwork and the platform, a really solid platform to be able to explore areas of law like animal law that I know I wouldn't have gotten in another school.
This program is made possible thanks to the generous support of a USF alumna who saw the opportunity to pursue her mission of justice for animals at USF Law.